In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use NordVPN Meshnet. So this is actually going to be simple. First, what you need to do is you can see from the landing page, we have this features option on top, and now newly introduced is this Meshnet option. So once you click onto that, now since you want to use it, you can see you're going to be clicking on this try free Meshnet. So this is going to be sharing files, playing LAN games, or simply accessing other devices directly. And the important part is it is free, so you can click on try free Meshnet and download for the platform that you intend to. Like for example, if you have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, so you can download for any of these platforms. And let's just say you choose to download it for your Windows device. You can see it is now downloaded and simply install it. So that's how easy it is. And yeah, so you can start installing it and using it. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.